Volkswagen officially released its new Volkswagen Atlas. As a midterm facelift model, the new car has been upgraded and optimized in terms of appearance, interior, configuration, and power. Volkswagen says the handsome 2024 Atlas will go on sale in the third quarter of 2023. In terms of exterior design, Atlas receives new front-end styling featuring a white chrome, 4-bar grille with new LED headlights and a standard adaptive front lighting system. Additionally, on all grades above the base model, the daytime running lights connect with the light bar that runs the light of the grille and sits above an illuminated Volkswagen logo. New front fascias with integrated air intakes are also new on 2024 Atlas. At the rear, Atlas receives larger spoilers that lighten the overall roofline. An illuminated light bar and Volkswagen logo is standard on all models above the base grades. New wheel designs for all trims on 2024 Atlas is also on tap, which range in size from 18 to 20 inches. Machined alloy and black finishes are available with R-line trims receiving 21-inch aluminium alloys. R-lines also receive a gloss black grille and badging. The Atlas gets an upgraded interior that's a real step up from previous Atlas cabins. The top-line Atlas Cell R-line had classy light tan leather upholstery in a perforated diamond pleat pattern, attractive stained wood look, trim inserts, and a neat bakelite name graphic on the passenger side of the dashboard. A heated steering wheel and ventilated front seats are welcome additions to the standard equipment list on all 2024 Atlas. The new 12-inch infotainment touchscreen is usually larger than the previous Atlas's standard 6.5-inch or available 8-inch displays, but the user interface and controls look to be very similar in design to the systems that have frustrated us in VW's ID4. The infotainment system features wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and all Atlases feature a wireless smartphone charging pad and at least 6 fast-charging USB-C ports. 2024 Atlas also comes standard with Volkswagen's IQ Drive driver assistance technology. This particularly autonomous suite of aids includes lane centering and a capacitive steering wheel designed to provide steering assistance along with alerts for oncoming obstacles. Head-up display and adaptive cruise control are also available. In terms of power, every Atlas comes with the same engine now, a 269 HP twin turbocharged 4-cylinder with 273 pound-feet of torque. It pairs with 8-speed automatic transmission and either front or all-wheel drive. Towing capacity with the new engine remains unchanged at 5,000 pounds. The 2024 Atlas Cross Sport features new front and rear fascias. German crossovers boast a white chrome 4-bar grille that is framed by LED headlights with the standard adaptive front lighting system, as well as daytime running lights that wrap around the headlights and integrated air intakes. At the rear, both models features a larger spoiler, while all but base trims receive an illuminated light bar and VW logo. The refreshed Atlas Cross Sport addresses widespread gripes about the model's interior quality with an all-new dash and center console design with soft touch finishes. Leatherette upholstery comes standard and diamond-quilted leather is available. New storage options abound, including a tray under the shifter. Heated and cooled front seats and a heated steering wheel are standard. Ambient lighting illuminates the cabin in a choice of 30 colors and shows up in unexpected places, like an illuminated model name embellishment on the dashboard. Atlas Cross Sport offers a more connected experience. A 12-inch floating infotainment display is an elegant focal point in the redesigned cockpit. And drivers of every trim level benefit from 10.25-inch fully configurable Volkswagen Digital Cockpit Pro. Connecting devices is easier than ever with standard wireless app connect, wireless charging and 6 USB-C ports, 8 available with 45-watt fast charging. There's just one powertrain for the 2024 Atlas Cross Sport, and it's a 4-cylinder turbocharged direct injection TSI engine that produces 269 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque. This is an improvement over the 4-cylinder engine on the outgoing Atlas Cross Sport. An 8-speed automatic transmission and FWD are standard, with AWD available as an option, while towing capacity remains at 5,000 pounds. The 2024 VW Atlas Cross Sport will be built at Volkswagen's production plant in Chattanooga and is scheduled to go on sale in the third quarter of 2023.